Welcome, students. A basket full of fruits and vegetables kept in the kitchen attracts the attention of everyone because they are in varieties of colors. They do not only look fascinating but also quite essential to live a healthy life. They provide us nutrients for proper growth of human body. In this chapter, we shall discuss one by one introduction, health, food, diseases, and how to prevent these diseases. In the introduction, I have already mentioned how nutrients present in food are essential for our body. Nutrients are the substances present in our food itself. It is why everyone recommends the intake of nutritious food rich in carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. The food served on the platter shown in this picture is just a sample of what our food should be like. Our food contains all the nutrients and we get energy from carbohydrates and fats present in the food. Our worn out tissues grow and get repaired through the proteins present in the food. Vitamins and minerals play their role in maintaining our body. By definition, health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being, and it depends on following factors. Consumption of balanced diet daily, doing regular exercises and workouts, enjoying sound sleep, and intervening periods of rest, keeping personal hygiene and clean surroundings and environment. The absence of other factors may result in diseases. A disease is any defect or abnormality found in the body. Disease can be categorized in communicable and non-communicable disease. And it may be caused due to malfunctioning of some body parts or due to lack of particular vitamins or minerals in the body. It is classified into two main categories like communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases get transmitted from one person to another, and these diseases are transmitted through germs like bacteria, virus, fungi, or non-living and living agents. Whereas non-communicable diseases do not get transmitted from one person to another. Some diseases are caused due to deficiency in our diet. Germs of common cold, measles, and chickenpox spread through air, and germs of diseases like cholera, typhoid, jaundice spread through water. Diseases like malaria and dengue are spread by bite of mosquitoes, and plague is spread by fleas. Deficiency disease can be caused due to lack of carbohydrate, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Some of the vitamin deficiency are night blindness, and it is due to lack of vitamin A. Beriberi due to vitamin B, scurvy due to lack of vitamin C, and rickets due to lack of vitamin D. A person suffering from night blindness is unable to see in dim light. He has a dry and scaly skin with dull eyes. A person suffering from beriberi experiences extreme weakness and sometimes having paralysis of body parts. The scurvy disease leaves a person with swollen and bleeding gums, with pain in joints and often resulting in teeth loss. Ricket disease causes soft and weak bones with bow-shaped legs. And the enlargement of glands in neck, which is called goiter, is caused due to deficiency of iodine. Likewise, iron deficiency results in anemic, leaving a person weak and pale because of less hemoglobin contained in bloods. The present prevailing pandemic condition has taught us practically how can we prevent communicable diseases. Some measures to handle this include washing hands with soaps at intervals for at least 20 seconds, using masks and wearing gloves while in crowds, avoiding handshake and intake of immunity booster food and drinks. The surroundings must be kept clean and hygienic. Water must not be allowed to stagnate around homes. Stagnant water is the breeding place of mosquitoes. And one must always cover nose or mouth while sneezing or coughing. All the articles and cloths of infected person should be disinfected. Vaccination must be done to prevent many diseases like measles, polio and chickenpox. So happiness is all about good health. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Let all be free from diseases. Namaste.